Sometimes there might be a need to create a random list. For example, we have these 14 dates with us, and if we want to sort them in an order that the user has never seen earlier, how do we do that? Like right now, we can only sort it oldest to newest or newest to oldest. So I want to show you how you can generate a truly random list of all these 14 dates. We send the data to Power Query, and let me remove everything else. So let me remove the first one. So what we want to do here is to first convert this into a date value, which is great. So we want to generate a list of random numbers. To do this, we can write in a custom column list dot random and then the number that we want. Now we know that there are 14 values here, so we can write 14, and this is my randomized list. So it gives me a list like this. If we expand it, we can extract the values and we get these 14 random numbers. Now these random numbers are between 0 and 1, which is okay. That's exactly what we wanted. Now the important part here is that if we sort the data in, let's say, an ascending order, now this will be a truly random list. So the list of dates that we have in the first column are not in any particular order. The reason is because we have used our randomized list for this, right? Excellent. We can, if we want to, we can now remove this, go back to close and load. And what's going to happen now is that the new table that has been generated in a truly random order. Now, this is very helpful when you want to, let's say, do a survey where you want to send out randomized questionnaires to some of the employees. So let's say you have 15 employees with you and you want to send out randomized questionnaires to the top five or to alternate employees, but in a random manner. And doing this manually with 1,000 entries would be nearly impossible because then there will always be a human judgment that comes into play. For example, if you write 1 and 2 and 3, then there is some reason on the basis of which I'm choosing these numbers, right? Right now, if you notice, these numbers are absolutely randomized and which can help you with a lot of different business cases.